Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to send all your invoices through Bharat Connect with a single click. You can also send the invoices to the respective parties via email in the same flow. Once registered on Bharat Connect, you can send invoices in one go, in addition to sending them on voucher save after each transaction. Let's see how it works. From Gateway of Tally, press Alt-Z, then select Send Invoices. Press F2 to select the period for which you want to view unsent invoices. You will see the list of invoices along with their B2B IDs, if available. The screen also displays the count of invoices with and without B2B IDs. Press S to start sending the invoices. Press Y to send the invoices to the respective parties. For buyers whose B2B ID is not updated, TallyPrime automatically searches and updates the B2B ID in the ledger and voucher and sends the invoices via Bharat Connect. In the invoice exchange summary, you can view the number of invoices sent and any new parties identified on Bharat Connect. To send invoices via email, press Y again. Complete the email authentication. If you are using domains like Google, Yahoo, Microsoft and so on, you need to enter the app password generated for your account. You will have the option to review the email settings before sending the invoices or continue to send them. Press C to continue sending the invoices. Alternatively, press R to review the email settings, which will take you to the email authentication screen. Let's press C to send invoices. The invoices are sent to the buyers, where email IDs are available in the party ledger, and you can view the number of invoices in the invoice exchange summary. After the invoices are sent, buyers receive an email notification with an attached invoice copy, along with a preview of the invoice. If the buyer is not registered, they will receive an embedded invite to register on Bharat Connect. If the buyer is registered on Bharat Connect, they can view the next steps and navigate to the Bharat Connect activities report in TallyPrime 2. Accept the invoice on Bharat Connect and record the purchase. Make the payment and share the confirmation. And that's how you can easily send all your invoices in a single click using TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.